Unitree just showed a human-sized robot throwing flying kicks, backflips, and smashing sandbags, while another one casually talked about the AI boom on live TV. At the same time, Boston Dynamics revealed its new Atlas at CES 2026. Humanoid robots took over the show floor, real deployments got locked in, prices are public, shipments are scheduled, and Unitree is eyeing a multi-billion-dollar IPO. This stuff moved way past demos, so let's talk about it. Alright, so Unitree released a training video featuring the H2 going through a routine session. And right away, the tone felt casual, almost relaxed, like this was just another day of work for the machine. Then the movements start. Flying kicks that leave the ground cleanly, full backflips with stable landings, repeated sandbag strikes that knock the target back with real force. Everything flows together. One motion blends straight into the next, without hesitation or awkward pauses. The robot in that video stands about 180 centimeters tall, roughly 6 feet, and weighs close to 70 kilograms, around 154 pounds. Those numbers matter more than they seem, because the H2 carries proportions that match the human body far more closely than earlier humanoids. The legs feel long enough, the torso looks balanced, the shoulders sit where they should. When it moves, the motion reads as intentional rather than compensatory. Unitree officially introduced the H2 back in October 2025, and this video shows how far it has already progressed since then. At a mechanical level, the H2 operates with 31 degrees of freedom. The shoulders alone account for 12 joints, 6 per arm. The torso adds 3 more. Each leg carries 7 joints, bringing 14 total in the lower body. 2 additional joints round out the system. Compared to Unitree's earlier R1 humanoid with 26 joints, that increase delivers a noticeable boost in flexibility and motion range. That extra articulation shows up everywhere in the footage. The kicks extend further. The torso twists naturally. The robot recovers its balance instantly after high-impact movements. During backflips, the center of mass shifts aggressively, then snaps back into alignment right on landing. That kind of control requires constant, real-time adjustment across the entire body. The hardware supports it too. The H2's joints deliver up to 360 Newton-meters of torque, which gives the robot enough power to execute explosive movements while staying stable. High torque alone never creates smooth motion. Precision timing, force modulation, and coordinated control across all joints make the difference. Unitree's motion algorithms clearly handle that coordination with confidence. Beyond the striking and acrobatics, the H2 brings quieter upgrades that point toward real-world use. The arms now feature 7 degrees of freedom, up from 4 in earlier models, and the hands have been redesigned for dexterity. That change shifts the robot toward object manipulation, tool handling, and interaction with physical environments. Factory floors, logistics centers, and structured workspaces start to look realistic when a humanoid can move and grip with this level of control. Recent footage also revealed more about Unitree's teleoperation system. Human operators control the robot in real time using wearable rigs or mixed reality setups, including headsets like Apple Vision Pro. That setup allows human intuition and judgment to flow directly into the robot's movements. Every session becomes both useful work and valuable training data, pushing the system forward faster. While the H2 footage spread online, another Unitree moment unfolded in a completely different environment: live television. During a CNBC segment, a G1 humanoid named KOID took part in a conversation about the AI boom. The host asked whether today's surge in artificial intelligence represents a bubble or something more lasting. Koid responded with careful, balanced language. It acknowledged the excitement surrounding AI and suggested that time will ultimately reveal whether the current wave represents short-term speculation or long-term transformation. The tone mirrored how executives and analysts often speak about the topic. Hearing that kind of answer come from a humanoid robot on financial television carried a different weight. Koid runs on Unitree's G1 platform. The robot weighs about 77 pounds and features 23 degrees of freedom. That configuration enables full-body movement, including coordinated martial arts routines, dance motions, and boxing-style actions. One earlier demonstration went viral after an operator accidentally kicked himself while the robot mirrored his movement, highlighting just how closely these systems track human motion in real time. The G1 stands out for another reason: availability. Unitree sells the G1 in the United States through RoboStore, its official US distributor. Pricing ranges from about $8,990 to $128,900 depending on configuration and capabilities. These robots ship to customers. They operate outside research labs. They already exist in real environments. According to RoboStore CEO Teddy Haggerty, humanoids like KOID represent a long-term vision where robots grow increasingly versatile and integrate into both industrial and domestic settings. The goal centers on reducing physical strain, increasing efficiency, and handling tasks that benefit from consistent, repeatable motion. This broader push unfolds alongside rapid advances across the humanoid robotics industry. Unitree continues to push agility and performance, while other companies pursue scalability and reliability. Boston Dynamics has taken a particularly clear direction with the latest generation of Atlas. The company unveiled a stationary prototype of the new Atlas Humanoid on stage at CES 2026. The design reflects a strong focus on simplification and industrial readiness. The new Atlas features higher, wider hips, which extend leg length and improve stride dynamics. Limb links mount offset rather than centered, increasing range of motion. The hands now use a 4-finger configuration instead of the earlier 3-finger design. Internally, the robot relies on just 2 unique actuators across the entire system, dramatically reducing complexity and improving reliability. Boston Dynamics shifted fully toward rotary actuators, which offer better durability and serviceability in industrial environments. According to Atlas product lead Mario Bellini, customers can swap a limb in under 5 minutes. That design philosophy aligns closely with factory use cases. The technical specifications reinforce that focus. The new Atlas reportedly operates with 56 degrees of freedom, fully rotational joints, and a reach extending to 2.3 meters, around 7.5 feet. The robot lifts up to 50 kilograms, approximately 110 pounds, and operates across temperature ranges from -20 to 40 degrees Celsius. It also features strong water resistance, supporting use in demanding environments. The company plans to begin production of the new Atlas immediately at its Boston headquarters. All deployments scheduled for 2026 already stand fully committed, with fleets shipping to Hyundai and Google DeepMind. Additional customers enter the pipeline in early 2027. Hyundai aims to establish a production system capable of manufacturing 30,000 robot units annually by 2028. Boston Dynamics and Google DeepMind also announced a partnership to integrate Gemini Robotics AI models directly into the new Atlas humanoids. That collaboration ties advanced robotics hardware with frontier AI systems designed for perception, reasoning, and control. CES 2026 itself has emerged as a major focal point for humanoid robotics. According to reports from the Humanoid Hub, humanoid robots dominate the show floor this year, with China bringing the largest concentration of humanoid hardware. Booth listings reveal dozens of robotics exhibitors, many presenting deployable systems rather than conceptual prototypes. That shift reflects a broader industry transition. Humanoid robotics has moved beyond novelty demonstrations. Production commitments, supply chains, and customer deliveries now define the conversation. And for our audience, AI Revolution will cover CES 2026 in depth over the next 4 days. We'll break down the AI and robotics announcements coming out of the show in detailed video reports, covering hardware, software, partnerships, and deployment plans as they unfold. Across the industry, competition continues to intensify. Unitree, Boston Dynamics, Agility Robotics, and others push forward at speed. The gap between experimental humanoids and deployable systems grows clearer with each new release. Even moments like a humanoid robot discussing the AI boom on live television highlight how far this technology has come. Robots participate in economic discussions, ship to customers, appear on factory roadmaps, and stand on major tech stages. Unitree itself reportedly moves toward a potential IPO valued at up to $7 billion. That valuation reflects growing confidence in humanoid robotics as a serious commercial category. The trajectory feels clear. Humanoid robots now operate in public, industrial, and commercial spaces. The technology advances quickly, the business infrastructure follows close behind. We'll continue tracking every major development as CES unfolds. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.